Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your one-stop shop for all things home design. Today, we'll delve into the captivating realm of rustic garden pathway design and tips for creating beautiful garden with adding rustic-style walkway. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For those unfamiliar, rustic design embraces a natural, unpretentious aesthetic, drawing inspiration from the beauty of the outdoors. Here, we'll explore the essence of rustic pathways, their benefits, and unveil a collection of enchanting design ideas to transform your garden into a haven of rustic charm. Let's begin by establishing the core principles of rustic garden pathways. Rustic design prioritizes organic materials, weathered textures, and a sense of harmony with the surrounding landscape. Imagine winding paths crafted from flagstones, reclaimed wood, or gravel, all seamlessly integrated into your garden's natural flow. Rustic pathways prioritize utility, guiding visitors through your garden while adding a touch of timeless elegance. The allure of rustic pathways extends beyond aesthetics. Here are some compelling reasons to consider this design approach. First, natural beauty. Rustic pathways enhance the natural splendor of your garden, fostering a sense of connection with the outdoors. Second, durability. Many rustic materials, like stone and brick, possess exceptional longevity, offering lasting enjoyment. Third, low maintenance. Rustic pathways often require minimal upkeep, freeing you to dedicate more time to enjoying your garden. Fourth, versatility. Rustic design adapts to various garden styles, from cottage gardens to woodland-inspired retreats. Fifth, DIY potential. Many rustic pathways lend themselves to DIY projects, allowing you to add a personal touch and potentially save on costs. Now that we've explored the advantages of rustic pathways, let's delve into the practicalities of incorporating them into your garden. Here are some key considerations to beautify your garden using a rustic pathway. First, path purpose. Define the path's function. Is it a winding stroll through your garden or a direct route to a specific area? Second, material selection. Choose materials that complement your existing landscaping and personal taste. We'll delve into specific materials shortly. Third, path width. Consider the desired level of intimacy. Narrow paths create a more secluded feel, while wider paths encourage leisurely exploration. Fourth, edging. Define the pathway's borders with edging stones, bricks, or natural elements like low-growing shrubs. Fifth, planting. Flanking your path with vibrant flowers, ornamental grasses, or low-growing perennials adds a burst of color and texture. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Hear these: the compilation of the 10 best rustic garden pathway design ideas to inspire your next project. 1. Flagstone pathway. Timeless and elegant, flagstones create a classic rustic path, ideal for winding through lush foliage. 2. Reclaimed wood slices. Infuse your garden with rustic charm using weathered wood slices arranged in a natural pattern. 3. Gravel pathway. Cost-effective and easy to maintain, gravel pathways offer a natural, understated look. Perfect for a casual, cottage-inspired garden. 4. Brick pathway. Classic and sophisticated, brick pathways add a touch of formality while remaining grounded in nature. 5. Stepping stone pathway. Create a whimsical, meandering path with strategically placed, moss-covered stepping stones. 6. Log pathway. For a truly rustic touch, incorporate sections of logs or branches for a path that blends seamlessly with a woodland setting. 7. Paving slabs. Irregularly shaped paving slabs offer a unique, textured surface perfect for a rustic garden retreat. 8. Decomposed granite. This natural, finely crushed stone creates a soft, permeable path that complements a variety of garden styles. 9. Shell pathway. Crushed shells offer a coastal-inspired touch and add a unique textural element to your garden path. 10. Living pathway. For a truly unique path, consider planting low-growing herbs like thyme or chamomile between stepping stones. The ideal material for your rustic pathway depends on several factors, Here these some of tips for choosing the best material for your rustic garden pathway. 1. Budget. Gravel and decomposed granite are cost-effective choices, while flagstone and reclaimed wood can be more expensive. 2. Maintenance. Brick and stone require minimal upkeep, while wood may require periodic treatment to prevent rot. 3. Style. Flagstone and paving slabs offer a classic look, while reclaimed wood and logs add a more whimsical touch. 4. Drainage. Consider using gravel or decomposed granite for good drainage, especially in areas prone to water pooling. 5. Traffic flow. High traffic areas might benefit from the durability of stone or brick, while lighter traffic areas can accommodate wood or stepping stones. 6. Lighting. Install solar-powered path lights for a touch of evening ambience while maintaining the natural aesthetic. 7. Seating. Consider incorporating strategically placed benches or seating areas along the path for moments of reflection and relaxation. 8. Water features. The gentle sound of water adds a calming element. Integrate a small fountain or bird bath near your pathway. Rustic garden pathways offer a captivating way to enhance your outdoor space. By embracing natural materials, considering functionality, and incorporating these design ideas, you can create a path that not only guides visitors but also fosters a connection with the natural world. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring garden design ideas. We'd love to see your rustic pathway creations. Share them in the comments below or tag us on social media using hashtag Homes Decor Designs. Thank you for joining us on Homes Decor Designs today. We hope you're inspired to create your own enchanting rustic garden pathway. Until next time, happy gardening! Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.